Right, today we're going to keep it simple. Right, we're going to change a wiper blade because the amount of people I see struggling. I work in a motorcycle shop and I work next door to a car spurs shop. Big up mass car spurs, right? And the amount of people I see struggling trying to change wiper blades, such a simple thing that people don't seem to be able to grasp the concept of. So first, right, on this one, this is a conventional type wiper blade. So if you see that there, like that, try and do this one-handed, unclips from there, and now I'm struggling like everybody else. Right, and then when you've done that, it pretty much just slides off. Now, best thing to do here, or best thing not to do, is not to let go of this without it on, because you end up cracking your window, which would be well sick. But if you do that, don't blame me. Right, so now that comes off there. Right, so we push it back, push it forwards, and that is the old one off. I mean, if you care about the car, put something between that. I've got this between there, so when I lift that out, it's going to flick against the window, which would be quite good. But yeah, that's the old one off. Right, so now let's get the new one out of the box. Right, so we've got them next to each other, and they look like they're the same size, so we'll take it out of the box. The wiper, you usually get different clips, usually that you don't need, but that looks like it is for this one, doesn't it? So we'll just pop that one off. To be honest, that one looks like it'll fit as well, but we'll go for the one that looks right. Yeah, we don't do it against the floor because you screw your new wiper blade up doing that. Right, sometimes you have an arrow on them which wants to face outwards. This one looks like it doesn't have an arrow on it, but we'll put it the same way as the clip that come off. The bit that people seem to struggle with. Right, you've got to, usually the wiper arm will come up further than this, but that's as high as this goes, so this is actually quite struggling with one hand, but you have to feed it through. Right, and then look at that. Right, and then we have to feed that into there, and then we slide that up there and just clip it on. And that's it. That's all there is to it. If you've got the other wiper blades, like I said, the thing that people struggle with, when you don't have this clip on, you have to put the arm through this gap. And you see people scratching their head not understanding that, but you have to put the arm through the gap. That's the bit that seems to catch people out, but that's it. That's all there is to it. That's how you fit a wiper blade. Look at that, banging. Right, and as a bonus feature, right, we can you can pull that out and turn it round, and then you can get unsuspecting passers-by. And also, I'll show you what else to do to make this work better. And for a bit of added length on your splash zone, a bit of blue tack, cover up the jets you don't want to use, and it gives you more velocity to get unsuspecting passers-by.